everyone, it's Kenneth again and again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do a review. Okay, I'm gonna show you and demonstrate how to use this product. I got this for a long time, but so very busy, and today I have time, so we're gonna do it. By the way guys, this product or whatever I'm gonna show it to you soon was from Amazon. I saw in TikTok again that there's a machine to clean our makeup brushes, so here you go. I'm gonna show you what I've got from Amazon. So this is the one. It's makeup brush cleaner, and it's a portable electronic automatic. So let's see if it's really effective. So guys, this is what's in the box. The machine, there's a sleeves on that. It's the spindle and the battery. So it's AAA. Okay, this is not sponsored, so use AAA battery like that. And let's put this on the side, and this is the handle for this. Like that. And the cover. I'll show you how it works, what's the use of that one. And this for the brushes that you need to put brushes in here. So this is the spare spindle. This is the spindle for you to put in here, like something like that. Whatever it fits. Like you see, this one fits, so you can. This is the spindle, guys. I already put it. It's in here for you to put whatever it fits in the spindle, so like this. Okay, it says in the manual, this is the user manual, that let's read how to use selected brush, and make sure to note the type of makeup. It's water soluble or non-soluble. Now select the best fitting color and push the brush in. Yeah, I already did that. And it says here, fill in the bowl. Use dishwashing liquid, put it in here. So this one you need to put in here so it won't splash on you. Okay, so let's begin. This is the color, and I'm gonna put it in the spindle. I hope it fits. Okay, there you go. So this is how it looks like. And this is the on and off. You just need to put it like this and start. Be careful because the water is splashing. I mean, I purposely make my brushes so dirty for me to know that this machine really works. Okay. Yeah, look at the water, guys. It's so dirty. Okay, another one. Okay, let's see if it works. It's my first time to do it now, and I'm so amazed because this second brush was very dirty. You see, it's coming, the dirt is coming out. Wow. It's very soapy, but it's okay. At least it's gonna be clean. So this one has the cleansing oil. Let's see. Okay guys, so let's draw. Look at the dirt. You see that? You see? It's super dirty. A while ago the water was so clean. Now this is our clean water. Now we need to rinse it, okay, from the soap. You see this, guys? Okay, this is how it looks like when it's drying. Isn't that cool? See? Like lift it a little bit like this. At least the water is gonna splash inside the bowl. You see this, guys? This is the real color of the brush, but look, it's super clean and smooth. We're drying it now. I'm so amazed with this machine. You see this one, guys? Oh my god. It's so soft. You just need to... You see? Now it's super clean. I'm sweating. So guys, you saw how I demonstrate how I did and clean my brushes using this portable makeup brush cleaner. So again, the box is this one. So just check the link in my description box so you will know how much is this one, but I think this one is $40 or $35 or less. I'm not sure. Just check the link down below. I'm gonna put it in there, okay? So okay guys, it's all on you. I have this because I want to have it, and I want to check if it's really true, and can clean, you can dry it as well. So for me, this machine really works. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. If you're interested, you can just check the link down below in my description box for you to see how much it is. Okay, so by the way, shout out to my butterfly babies, Mary Mix Vlogs, Jahara Vlogs Beach, Contem Pairs, Tons TV, Evie Delphine, who else? Okay, Rose Moag.
And also to Z Core, Creative Minds, and Jay's Kusina.
So guys, please check their channel and don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe, God bless, and I love you. Okay, bye. Mwah. By the way guys, my only problem with this is it's hard to remove the color from the brush. It's hard to remove it. Okay, so when you buy, think first. Okay, it doesn't mean like if I have, it doesn't mean you're gonna have it too. Okay, you don't need to buy it if you can't. Okay, this is only my way to show you how this portable makeup brush cleaner works. Okay, thank you again.